Hey y'all, Liz here doing a review on this candle. So check this out. This bowl is so substantial and it's pure wood. And then it has a soy blend wax on the inside. This was given to me as a gift and I think this is such a perfect gift. When I opened this up, so it came in the mail as a package from Amazon. When I opened it up, I was so excited. I was like, what the heck? This is so like exactly something that I would love. But what I love about it the most is it's unscented. So I think that's, again, a perfect gift because you don't always know what people like as far as smells. And I am extremely picky with smell. So I would much rather have something unscented than to light something and then it fill my whole house and I can't stand the smell. So love that it's unscented. Love that also you'll see a little letter when you open up the package that it is family owned and run company. And so I love that you're supporting small. So let me turn you around and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I light it up.